Hi, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about scalpers and traders. And by the way, which one are you? Scalpers typically trade for a few points or a few ticks. Their trades are short-term, lasting minutes or only a few seconds. A scalper usually makes many trades per day, and some actually make the mistake of overtrading. Scalping trade decisions are based on candlestick patterns, indicators, momentum, and trade setups. And some scalpers do very well, and that's fine if you're a scalper. Traders, on the other hand, have a different set of characteristics. Traders look for many points per trade. Their trades can last minutes up to hours. They make few trades per session. A trader makes decisions based on the trend, calculated trading zone, the support and resistance, the intraday high or low, a calculated trading range, the areas to buy and areas to sell, and where to enter and exit, and finally, and of course, risk management. Let me give you an example of my thought processes as I set up to trade on Thursday, March 17th. This is a chart of the E-mini, and this is a 3-minute candle with 10 points between each horizontal line. Prices opened down here at 43.41, and I had my chart set up with two features. One was a horizontal line that indicated the previous day's close, up here at 43.58. And then I had a trading zone that I had calculated based on market movements over the past several days that allow me to determine a trading zone for the day. Very often these trading zones are extremely accurate, but on days like this one, where prices did not trade within the trading zone, they were still extremely useful. So my trading zone was set up here with support at 42.73 and resistance at 43.75, so about 100 points between resistance and support. Prices opened here at 43.41. Now, when the day just after the open, I saw that there was an opportunity for a gap trade, which did close for 20 points. And I did look for that gap trade because to me, the gap trade is one of the most reliable trades that there is. So I took advantage of that gap trade. Now, after the gap trade, the question was, what other trades would be available? Well, to know where prices were going to go, I could assume that they were going to reach my resistance level, which they almost did but didn't, but that wasn't enough information for me to enter a trade. What I was looking for is if I could determine where an intraday high or intraday low would be established, because that would give me a very strong clue as to where prices would move, which direction they would move. The morning low, was 43, almost 43.40. Was that the intraday low? I mean, prices traded up here at 43.70. Was that the intraday high? One or the other was going to be established within an hour of the market open. And I was looking for one or the other to base my trade on. And I got my answer right here at about 11 a.m., where the low didn't take out the low that was established at the open. So it was a good assumption that the opening low was the intraday low. So it was a good assumption that prices would trade up from here. Why is that? Because the day's range of 100 points might not be fulfilled. Prices might not traverse 100 points, which indeed they didn't. But prices were certainly going to transverse more than this 30-point range here. So I was moderately certain that this was the intraday low and this was most likely not the intraday high. So over here, I formed an opinion, and as prices rose, I was confirmed right over here when this high took out this high. So this for sure was not the intraday high. This for sure was the intraday low. So the assumption was prices were going to go higher and I could trade to the upside, which I did, and prices did. So that's the thinking. And so this trade was good for over 25 points. At any rate, I just wanted to give you a sense of the difference between scalping and trading and my thoughts. If you want to learn how to trade more successfully, either a scalper or a trader, and I'm not trying to change anybody's way of trading, but I would very strongly suggest you enroll in my e-mini trading course at timelessdollar.com. At any rate, that's my video for today. Whether you're a scalper or a trader, thanks for watching. Trade safely, and I'll see you in my next video.